In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Kajabi with Zapier. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to automatically send people from a Typeform submission into Kajabi, either by granting access to an offer or by subscribing them to a custom email sequence. This is a great way to save time, reduce manual work, and make sure your follow-up process happens right away. To get started, open Zapier and create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects one app to another. In this case, Typeform will be the app that starts the automation, and Kajabi will be the app that performs the next action after someone submits your form. Once your new Zap is open, set Typeform as the trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Entry. This means the automation will run every time a new response is submitted through your Typeform. After selecting the trigger, connect your Typeform account if needed and make sure you choose the correct form you want Zapier to watch. This is important, especially if you have multiple forms in your account. Next, move on to the action step and select Kajabi as the action app. At this point, you'll choose the specific action you want Kajabi to perform. You can either select grant access to an offer if you want the person to immediately receive access to a product, course, or membership, or choose create custom email sequence subscription if your goal is to add them into an email follow-up sequence. Pick the option that matches the experience you want to create for new form submissions. After that, authenticate your Kajabi account. This step allows Zapier to securely connect with Kajabi so it can complete the action automatically. Follow the prompts to sign in and approve the connection. As always, make sure you're connecting the correct Kajabi account before continuing. Once the account is connected, map the email field from Typeform to the appropriate email field in Kajabi. Field mapping tells Zapier which information from the form should be sent into Kajabi. Be careful here and double check that the email field is matched correctly, since this is what Kajabi will use to identify the contact and apply the action. When everything looks good, turn on the Zap. From that point forward, every new Typeform entry will automatically trigger the Kajabi action you selected. That's it. You've successfully built a simple but powerful automation between Typeform and Kajabi.